Welcome to AI Factory. YouTube channels dedicated to cat videos have witnessed remarkable growth recently, evolving from simple clips of cute cats to sophisticated content created by AI. Some channels have rapidly gained millions of followers, achieving significant milestones within just a few months or even days. For instance, a channel launched in September 2023 quickly amassed 1.21 million subscribers, with each of its videos attracting over 1 million views. Another channel started in January of this year and posted only 19 videos but secured 93,263,482 views and 751,000 subscribers within a month. Similarly, a channel also initiated in January reached 3,061,400 views and gained 23,000 subscribers in the same time frame. The secret to their popularity? Anthropomorphizing cats and placing them in everyday human scenarios such as going to work and school, being involved in car accidents, encountering robbers, or giving birth. These engaging and humorous narratives, combined with catchy meow 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 background music, have captivated audiences worldwide. Using ChatGPT 4.0, video creators can easily craft engaging story outlines and storyboards featuring a fluffy and chubby ginger cat as the protagonist in short stories or conflicts akin to human daily life. This strategy not only captures the audience's attention but also resonates with them on a personal level. This method showcases the potential of AI in creating viral content and offers a blueprint for those aiming to dominate social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram with compelling cat videos. Now, let's dive into the process of creating our cat video using everyday human scenarios for our narrative. We'll take the story of a cat involved in a car accident as an example. Navigate to the cat channel and select the video depicting the car accident. When you play this shorts video, click on the share button and copy the link. Next, visit a YouTube Shorts download website. I'll include its link in the video description for your convenience. Paste the copied YouTube Shorts link, then click on Get Video followed by Get Link, and finally click on Download. The video will start downloading. We will need to use the background music later. I turned to ChatGPT 4.0 and utilized its capabilities to streamline the process. First, I input the instructions I had prepared based on the reference video. These instructions included analyzing the image sequence and scenes, such as happy moments between father and son, a car accident, the loss of the son, and the father's despair. ChatGPT quickly generated a synopsis demonstrating a deep understanding of my ideas. The story plot was rich and vivid, with names for the father and son cats. Next, I requested ChatGPT to generate images based on each scene's storyboard description. I copied the description of the first scene from the text it had generated and pasted it directly. The image produced shortly after met my expectations perfectly, and I saved it immediately. Following this, I generated the second image by copying and pasting the storyboard description for the next scene. This process was repeated until the last image was generated. If any image was unsatisfactory, I could upload a reference photo for ChatGPT to learn from. For example, if I generated an image featuring a white cat instead of the desired fluffy ginger cat, I could take a screenshot from the reference video, send this image to ChatGPT, and request an image that matched my specifications. This image generated was exactly what I envisioned. Then I used CapCut to edit the cat video. It's a free video editing tool available online or for download. I included a link to CapCut in the video description for easy access. I imported the reference video, which I downloaded from YouTube Shorts, into CapCut. By right-clicking on it and selecting Extract Audio, I was able to separate the background music from the video. Next, I imported all the generated images and dragged them one by one to the editing panel, arranging them according to the storyboard sequence. I selected all the images to adjust their duration to match that of the reference video. Upon reviewing the reference video again, I noticed it featured a blurred background and smooth transitions between each image. To replicate this, I selected all images, right-clicked to choose Copy, then right-clicked again and selected Paste. This created two identical layers. I then selected the first image in the bottom layer and enlarged it to cover the entire screen, repeating this enlargement process for the remaining images. You can select all the images at once for this step. Afterward, I adjusted the opacity of all the images to 24%, creating a blurred background effect. The next step was to add transitions between each image. From the top menu, I clicked on Transitions, selected the Inhale transition, and applied it between all the images. Now, our cat video is complete. Let's view the result. It's just as perfect as the reference video, isn't it? This video can serve as a standard template, requiring just a one-time edit for mass production. Later, we simply need to swap out the visuals, making it a straightforward process to create videos that can attract thousands of views. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. You're also welcome to leave a comment below. See you next time.